Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. And today I will be showing you how to make a red circle or any colored circle. I mean, you can use a lot of colors with a circle using Turtle. So before I do anything, I have to import Turtle. And if you downloaded Python, then you should have the IDLE, and I downloaded Python 3.6, and and whether you use 32-bit or 64-bit depends on your PC, and I explained that in my other video. And make sure you're using the one with the notebook paper and not the one that sort of looks like the command prompt. If you see this and this look sort of similar. And that's before you do anything. And then second, so you're not supposed to run it like with this, but I didn't get the right indentations when I tried to do it. So from here, I'll use this and then put it here. And then it should work if I call main. Yeah, it should work. And I want to get this out of the way so you can see it draw. Whoops. And you can see it draw. And then so basically what this is saying is so basically I mean, I just put it in, I really just so like to get this window up, you need to go here, click new file, and then I'll be explaining to you the code for it. But please put these 3 dashes. If you use shift and then press the period button, it'll show up these. And I don't want you to get these indentations wrong, but do not use this space right here. Just start from the D, because in this shell it will automatically use a space, and you'll have an error in your code if you put an extra space because it's an unexpected indent. And I can show you that so let's say me. And by the way, if you're having trouble when you close if you close the Python Turtle graphics, this 3 things will pop up. And it'll just be blank until you close it. So let's say you put an extra indent here, which is 2 spaces, which is the same as copying this space and putting in here, and then define, let's say, squirrel. And then immediately you will get the syntax error, unexpected indent right here. So basically, don't do it, or else you get an error. But just a reminder, if you go up here and then press enter, the whole thing will be again. And if you keep calling main over and over again, just like it says, you'll get an error. I'm not very sure why though. And then you call the main function. Right here. And then so what you can do is remember that before you do anything you have to import Turtle. And you can't import like Pygame or else it won't work. Because Python Turtle is different from Pygame. And so you define the main. I mean, I guess you could name the define anything you want. Just put main, because like it's the main screen. And then basically this is the width and this is the height. So when it first starts out, it's like this. It's like this, but you can move it up and down as you please, but don't move it too far down because then you can't see the circle. And then this line of code sets up the screen. So like if I just put this part of the code, it would just be a blank canvas. And then this is pen up. This pen up and then go to is in the middle of the screen. So basically it starts off with its pen down. And then if you don't put this code, then when you put Turtle go to, which is making the turtle's pen go to the middle of the page, you could put the coordinates right here, but 0, 0 is the middle of the page or middle of the window. And then it would just draw a line from wherever it starts. It will draw a line from wherever it starts until it starts making the circle. So then this just makes it easier. You could put Turtle every time you put it down here, but this constant variable makes it easier. And then you have to put the Turtle dot pen to make sure it's the pen. It's the pen functions. So when you put your pen down, it's gonna start writing, and then you could put T begin fill and then when it's T end fill, when this whole circle is drawn, it will put red inside. So if I didn't put that fill, it would just be a red outline of a circle. And technically you could make this like orange, you can make it blue, you can make it yellow, you can make it basically whatever color you want that is in the Turtle graphics. But it's kind of like basic colors like green, aqua, red, blue, stuff like that. And then this hides the cursor. And then this turtle is done. The turtle's done. And press enter twice. And then this will come up. And then when you call whatever you defined minus this colon, minus the colon. So if you put it like this, then the Turtle graphics will show up, and there you have your circle. I mean, I've tried, but it won't work with a rectangle. I think it's because the dimensions are like these are the dimensions, and I just put the circle dimensions instead of the rectangle dimensions. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment down below. If you like this video, leave a like down below. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.